Hi, I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my auto repair videos. Let's say you're driving, and you notice that your fog lights turn off. What do? Well, the first thing you do is check your switch, because maybe you have it set to off. So, turn it back on. Okay. And I know, it's corny of me to say that, but it's generally something you should check for, because some people don't. Now, let's say that you do that, and the fog lights still don't turn on. What do you do then? That's what this video is going to be about. Today I'm going to show you what to do to diagnose a fog light not turning on. And this is going to be with a Honda Civic 2016 to 2021. In this case, we'd say 2017 Honda Civic. So, the fog light not turning on can be indicative of a few issues, and we're going to start going down the laundry list. So, my intuition is that if a light doesn't turn on, maybe there's an issue with the bulb. Now in our case, when we experienced this problem, both of the fog lights were not turning on. Which, it's possible that both of the bulbs could have turned off at the same time, but that's an astronomical probability. Usually, if it's one bulb turning off, that is pretty indicative of the problem being the bulb. But in our case, again, both of the fog lights were not turning on. So that brings us to our next cause, the fuses. So the fuses could have blown, which could have caused the power to both of the fog lights to go out. So in this video, I'll show you how to check the fuses. So let's open the hood and go to the front. Hello, Aurelia. And the engine compartment fuse box is located right here. So we're going to take it off. And we're going to locate which fuse is the one that we're looking for. In this case, we're looking for the one related to fog lights. This one says front fog lights, and it's position 22, 15 amps. If we use our context clues, we can see that this is the row that it's talking about. And if you're interested in reading this diagram with these fuses, I have a separate video on it because it's actually kind of hard to look at when you first look at it. So it's a very important video. But we're going to use our puller to take a look at our front fog lights and see if there's an issue with them. Oh, and look at that. They're actually blown. These fuses are blown. And just so you guys know what a non-blown fuse looks like, here's a non-blown fuse. You can see that the connection between the two metal contacts is not broken. You might need to put it up to the light if you can't see it that clearly. Anyway, now we know that our fuses are blown for the front fog lights. So that tells you why the front fog lights are not turning on, but it doesn't actually tell you what the source of the problem is. All we know is that a fuse is blown. But why did the fuse blow? That's our next question. Our first step here is to actually replace the fuse with a new fuse and see what happens when you try to turn it on. Maybe it was a one-time thing. And so, you can get a replacement kit of fuses just like this. I'll link it down in the description if you want to buy some. But make sure you get a similar amperage rating. So it's 15, and we'll put it back in the spot it came from. There we go. And I'm going to go inside and turn on the fog lights, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so we're going to try turning it on. Okay, so now I'm going to turn on the lights. Alright, so I'm supposing what you saw was that the bulbs flashed on for just a second before they turned off. I'm going to turn off the lights and I'm going to pull out the fuse. And we'll see if it's blown. Okay. Splendid, look at that. If you look really closely, you can see that the connection between them is severed right here. And it looks like it blew up. So that's wonderful news. We can narrow down our possibilities to what's happening. So if a fuse is blown, that means that there's some sort of short circuit happening somewhere. It means if the bulb turned on, that means the bulb is probably fine. But if this fuse is blown and there's a short circuit somewhere, it could be somewhere in the wiring, or it could be the bulb component itself is causing that short circuit. But at least we know that the bulb itself is turning on. Okay, I take that back. It's not good news to my dad. It's good news to me because I like a challenge. But unfortunately, this means that there could be a million causes. A million is too much. There could be any number of causes. And before, if the light didn't turn on, that would have indicated that the issue was the bulb. But now it could be pretty much anything. So one of our theories for why the fog lights aren't turning on and causing that fuse to blow is because of the bulb that we have right now. Okay, so in our next video, we're going to replace that LED bulb. We'll show you how to do it. And hopefully that fixes the problem. Even if it doesn't, that means more videos to do to find where that problem is in the wiring. But that's going to be it for this video. I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at videos on EyeOnAiman. Yes, today I showed you part of diagnosing what the problem might be with your fog lights not turning on your 2016-2021 Honda Civic. If this video helped you, hopefully it did, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. For now, I'm Aiman, and signing out. Peace.